Hey little artist! Do you love ice cream? Today we're going to draw a super cute cone ice cream with a sleepy face. Grab your black marker and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, draw a big V shape. This will be the cone holding our ice cream. Now let's decorate it. Draw a check pattern inside the cone. It's like crisscrossing lines from top to bottom. Great job! Now let's draw the creamy part of the ice cream. Yummy! Draw the first fluffy layer right on top of the cone. Then another curly layer on top of that. And finally, a swirly top to finish it. Woohoo! Time to make it come alive. Draw 2 round eyes with sleepy eyelids. Now draw a small W shape for the cute mouth. It looks like our ice cream is taking a nap. Nice job, everyone. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp so the drawing pops off the page. Look at that! Amazing work! Now it's time to color!
Yay!
Grab your pens and say the color names with me. Orange color.
Wow!
Yellow color. Brown color. Cream color. Pink color. Purple color. Blue color. Red color. Cream color again.
La da 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 dee.
So colorful and sweet. You did an awesome job today, little artist. Don't forget to give your ice cream a name and show it to someone you love. Subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more cute and easy drawings. Bye-bye.
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.